can the course fit around your existing lifestyle and day job? Absolutely. At Monaco Nail Academy, we understand the challenges of balancing personal commitments with career aspirations. Here's how we support you. Self-paced online learning. The pre-recorded aspects of our courses allow you to study at your own pace. You can access videos, written step-by-steps, and interactive resources whenever it fits into your busy day, ensuring you can study around your family and work schedules. Live Zoom lessons. When it comes to the live aspects of your course, you have the flexibility to book lessons that suit your needs and availability. Choose between one-on-one sessions where scheduling is tailored to your timetable or group sessions scheduled at set times. Choosing between options such as Monday evenings or Sunday afternoons, just choose the set time that suits you best when you enroll. Need to miss a scheduled lesson? Easily reschedule a catch-up via our online booking system. Module completion time. Each module allows up to 12 months for completion from the enrollment date, but the pace at which you work is entirely up to you. Flexible study approach. Whether you commit 8 hours per day for an intensive study period or spread your learning over several months, our courses accommodate various learning styles and schedules. Some students complete the course in a concentrated effort over a few months, while others prefer a more gradual approach, dedicating a few hours weekly. Support every step. We're here to support you throughout your journey. From flexible scheduling to comprehensive resources and the best student community in the business, we ensure you have the tools to succeed without added stress. Join Monaco Nail Academy and discover how you can pursue your passion for nail technology while maintaining a balanced lifestyle that works for you. Let's make your career dreams a reality on your terms.